Hello beautiful family. This is just a quick and a very short video about traditional African kitchen. A healthy diet is essential for human well-being and environmental sustainability. Africa possesses diverse traditional food systems that are nutritionally rich and environmentally sustainable. However, modern dietary transitions and increasing reliance on imported and processed foods threatens the continent's food sovereignty and public health. Africans' traditional food systems provide valuable insights into healthy and sustainable diets. Promoting indigenous African foods and preserving traditional dietary practices can enhance global food security and nutrition. Policies and investments should focus on revitalization traditional African diet to address nutrition and food security challenges. Traditional African women use open-air wood fires, clay pots, and hand grinding tools to prepare communal meals rooted in generations of heritage. Open fire and firewood meals are frequently cooked outdoor over 3-stone open hearths or wood burning stove using gathered firewood. Recipes rely on fresh local vegetables, indigenous grains, and natural spices. Grains and seeds are processed using heavy wooden mortars and pestles or stone grinders. Cooking serves as a shared social duty where stories, songs, and child rearing happen side by side. Traditional African women use firewood mainly because it is a free, accessible, and culturally relied upon source of household energy in rural and low-income areas. Modern cooking fuels like liquefied petroleum gas, kerosene, and electricity are expensive and frequently subject to high price inflation. Firewood can be gathered directly from local bushes and forests at no monetary cost, making it budget-friendly for rural households. Cooking with an open fire using 3 stones is a generational practice passed down through families. Open fires easily accommodate large pots and heavy iron cookware used to feed extended families. The ash left from burning wood is sometimes used locally for traditional food processing or potassium extraction, while the charcoal created can be repurposed for room heating. In rural Africa, the kitchen is more than just a place to prepare food. It is the heart of daily life for many families. However, for millions of women, cooking is burdened with challenges that affect their health, consume their time, and limit their opportunities. Firewood and other traditional fuels are still widely used, but they can come with steep cost, harm to health, countless hours spent gathering fuel, and constraint on their potentials. According to research, in Africa, nearly 70% of households still rely on fossil fuels such as firewood and charcoal for cooking. Thank you so much for watching to this point, and I believe you enjoyed the video, and I'm also excited to show how and depict the African traditional kitchen, how our delicious meal are made from our beautiful and talented women. Thanks, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.